Let's get your Baleno Zeta's infotainment system up to date. There are two main methods, USB and over-the-air. USB updates involve downloading the latest firmware from suzuki.co.in onto a FAT32 formatted USB drive and plugging it into your car. Access the system settings and initiate the update. It'll take about 15 to 30 minutes. Make sure your car is parked. OTA updates, available for 2024 plus models, happen automatically via Wi-Fi or your phone's hotspot. Verify via VIN on the Suzuki app. You'll receive a notification to install the update when parked. OTA is more convenient, but USB is reliable for offline updates. Both methods ensure checksum verification to prevent corruption. If you have connectivity or USB issues, try another drive, ensure proper formatting, and use the correct firmware for your vehicle. Contact your Suzuki Service Center if problems persist. Map updates for your Baleno Zeta are bundled with firmware releases, keeping your navigation current with the latest roads and points of interest. For Android Auto and CarPlay, wireless connectivity is available on 2024 and newer Baleno Zeta models. Ensure your phone runs Android 10 or higher, or iOS 14 or higher for best compatibility. If you encounter issues like screen freezing, common with some iPhone 15 models, check for available software patches from Suzuki. For maps not updating, ensure your device connects to the internet via Wi-Fi and is compatible with the system. Remember, updates include crucial security patches to protect your system from vulnerabilities. If you're still having trouble, consult Suzuki's official channels or visit an authorized service center.